Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale mobile apps with AppLaunchpad, complete guide step by step clearly. First, understand your current app performance metrics. Analyze user acquisition, retention rates, and engagement statistics. Make sure to pinpoint areas that need improvement. Next, sign up for AppLaunchpad and create your account. Navigate to the dashboard and explore the available features. Familiarize yourself with the app analytics tools. Set up tracking for user behavior and key performance indicators. Identify your target audience based on demographic data. Utilize the insights to next, take advantage of AppLaunchpad's A/B testing feature. Create variations of your app to test user preferences. Monitor performance and gather data on user interactions. Once you have sufficient data, implement changes based on findings. Focus on optimizing the user experience. Enhance the app's interface for easier navigation. Integrate feedback mechanisms for continuous improvement. Now, consider expanding your marketing channels. Leverage social media, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships. Use AppLaunchpad's promotional tools to maximize reach. Monitor conversion rates to assess the effectiveness of campaigns. As you grow, think about app localization. Adapt your content for different languages and cultures. Utilize AppLaunchpad features to manage localization efficiently. Next, invest in App Store optimization. Enhance your app's visibility in app stores through effective keywords. Utilize engaging visuals and compelling descriptions. Track your App Store rankings for continuous improvement. Now, revisit your monetization strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.